This weekend, the plan is simple. We're gonna go to Atlanta, we're gonna meet up with Tyson, we're gonna eat good food, go golf, go to the gun range, and ride motorcycles. What's not to love? Come with me, let's go. All right, so we made it to Atlanta. This is Tyson.
Yo.
Just checked out his super cool apartment here in Atlanta. I had never seen it before. I asked him if he wanted to shoot some rollers of him on his motorcycle. So he's got his gear going, he's got his boots on and stuff. We're gonna go hit Chick-fil-A and then see if we can get some cool shots of him on his motorcycle.
And then just park like in this little concrete pad, just so that way if someone comes in or out, they can do it a little easier. And then just keep going all the way back. You're fine right there.
So we have completed shooting for the night. Incredibly fun. That was my first time filming rollers. This bike is an absolute beast. The carbon fiber, the Brembos, what is it, 1100 cc? Dude, oh, it was so cool. I'm just super excited about filming it, and they're letting us in the apartment, so we gotta go. I gotta unsuction cup this camera to mount it on the truck, and it's not going anywhere.
Good morning. It is day 2 of being in Atlanta.
We're here in Tyson's apartment. We've just been chilling, having some coffee. And apart from being an awesome firefighter and motorcycle rider, this dude has a crazy collection of vintage film cameras. Can you run through all of your cameras that you have in your collection? He's got Canons, Nishika, all kinds of crazy ones. Let me grab the camera.
All right, well over here, first and foremost, my absolute pride and joy, my Canon A1. So these actually have film from whenever we shot back in like 2017 that are just still inside waiting to be developed. Kind of the same camera. This one just has more like advancements as far as technology. But the two go-tos right there. And then we were going through the woodworks and found these two, so this one and this one are just kind of basic point and shoots. You just stick film in and, you know, if you see something, you just click the button. Then this one, it has 4 lenses because it creates like a, you have to put them together and it makes like a GIF. It creates almost like a 3D image. So it's pretty cool. And this unit is from like the 1940s.
That is
Here,
so
hold this
crazy.
real quick.
Yeah, sure.
You push this button. Just like, boink. And then this was just all the film I guess I had left over. Most of what I shot was expired. On it says used by June 2000.
That is so
which
crazy.
it is not 2000 anymore. But you can still use it. It just creates, like, it starts to deteriorate what the colors would actually look like. So it just makes it unique in that way. It color grades itself for the worse, but at the same time kind of for the better because it just makes it a unique look. a role that hasn't been developed. I have so much that I just took pictures of and then never got around to developing it, like a time capsule.
You can see all of the different photos in the film, and these are already developed. Mm-hmm. Oh wait, we can't forget about this one. Cannot forget about this one. Crazy old Polaroid. Look at this. Every single shot that he took on that camera, where he took it and like stuff like that. I think that's nuts. He's got a log of these photos too. Dude's got a crazy collection of film cameras. I wanted to show it off.
Let's go golfing.
Walking through downtown Decatur now. Gonna go get a bite to eat before we play some golf. Going to this place called F and Egg. Come with us, check it out. Look at that sandwich. The amount of bacon's crazy. All right, Evan Egg, what's the review?
Man, that was actually very, very good.
Bussin'. After breakfast, heading to the golf course. What's the course called?
Heritage Golf Links.
Heritage Golf Links.
Even though it's technically not a links course, but whatever.
Even though it's... All right, we'll see you there. See ya. Finally.
Well done.
Good shot.
Dang it, son.
Good morning. Last night after golf, Tyson and I went out to Super Rica to get some food. We got some drinks. We came back. We crashed. That's what happened. But today is day 3, and we're going to the range. It's a range day. We're going to go shoot some guns. Let's do it. I'll see you at the range. Shooting with the flashlight is much harder. It's just that target acquisition. It's not just dot on black surface. It's like reflective and like all kinds of...
That comp makes it loud.
This comp's fucking sick.
Like shooting flames like this one.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's so dope. You try it and tell me what you think.
I wish wish I had a dot. It's hard to
Line it up.
yeah. Like you can do it with one eye closed. You're not supposed to. I'm having to.
Or whenever I'm looking at irons, I close an eye.
Cause like with this, is it on? Yeah, cause like with that.
Yeah, you
That's so
keep
easy.
what you're supposed to do is keep both eyes open and look
Yeah.
at the target.
Yeah, which you can do with the dot.
Right. And with these, you have to look at the front sight, and the target has to be blurry.
Yeah.
Which is why I really do like the sight, because I like being able to look at what I'm shooting.
Oh, you turn it off. Just hold it.
Oh no, don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Just leave it on. It's not gonna die. You know.
So that's the only thing I don't like about my two pistols is
No optics.
no.
But you can't carry one with an optic as easy.
Yeah.
You know. Like
So-
my carry pistol doesn't have
I
an
mean, like
optic.
if someone's gonna be that close anyway, like having one eye closed is not gonna be much of a of a burden.
Yeah, it's kind of a trade-off. That's why my range pistol has the optic, and then my carry pistol doesn't.
Do you have your carry pistol?
No, I don't. I didn't bring it. I just wanted to shoot these two, honestly.
You want to try either of mine?
Yeah, sure.
Which one?
That one?
Sounds to me like we're gonna start shooting ARs. Oh, here's what we're looking at.
I was in the.
So sick. So sick. Shout out to Range Guns and Safes in Atlanta. Thank you guys for letting us film and train there. It was awesome. We had a great experience. Would totally recommend that range. There were some, people who had never shot before, some police officers, some former military that were training there, as well as me and Tyson just having fun shooting our pistols and our ARs. Great spot. We had a great time. My camera died at the end there. Me and Tyson just hugged each other goodbye, said peace out. That was how I'd spend a weekend in Atlanta with the boys. Like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.